Here is Sand Hill, so you go through here and then just really steep long.
You bomb it, you go off to the right.
And then go to the right and then it just loops you back to here.
Yeah, it looks like someone's gonna flip over there.
Dude,
I got Tyler wet, so wet.
Dude, you got me wet on the back.
Well, yeah, I knew I got you good. No, but they were in front, right? And I came in way fast behind them, slammed on the brakes, and the water just went straight forward.
We're gonna get a little wet,
That was good though.
That's what my windshield looked like.
dude.
Dude, I was trying to push everybody.
That's awesome.
Dude, that water hit us.
I come
Is that fun?
flying through there. Just
It's a
water
cool
everywhere.
run. It's close.
Were you laughing at us when we were washing our windshields at the gas station?
No, super fun.
Little did we know we were almost here.
Yeah. You're so. Get the Arctic up there.
Wildcat, come to the rescue. Chad. That was fun, dude. I was trying to splash everybody.
Dude, you got me. Look at this. Feel this. You got me so good.
Dude,
That's all you.
problem is, me trying to get everybody, I got drenched in the process.
I did notice that.
All right, so we got the cat here. We're gonna attempt to rescue this general before it rolls. It's kind of a precarious situation. These guys blew their belt in attempt to help. My favorite part of the trip was saving the general. So we came to that steep hill that we were just talking about, and there was an older gentleman who was unable to make it up in his Polaris General. Kind of saved their day, and it was fun for us, and it's always nice to help out a little bit.
That was Deranged Off-Road's dad. Trying to save his dad and couldn't because his belt was just in pieces. So we came up, we helped. Really cool guys. The Deranged guys are really cool. If you don't know, they have a YouTube channel. I'm sure you've seen it. But yeah, Deranged Off-Road. Slow down. This is a race? Yes. Tyler, hold it with your arms when it starts to roll.
Really stand tall, lean into it.
Lean into it.
Just
Don't be a wuss.
Put your back into it.
Strapped to a tree, strapped to a side-by-side. I'm gonna pull the front end down. I'm not gonna lie.
Want to get in? I'll get in.
Bo, you wanna die?
Sure.
Go for it. It'll be your first chance to try to drive a general.
Drive a general. Oh, dude, I want to drive the general.
Go for it. You could be in the passenger seat. Oh, there's a strap right there. That looks like a Can-Am belt.
I think it's a razor belt.
Definitely not a Polaris belt. Good luck, Bo. Ride it out. Oh, like a charm. Go, go, Trace. Look out, look out.
Keep going. You almost stabbed it.
Give it everything you got. Oh, Dose, Trace. Oh my gosh. Stop.
Stop. No, we're good. Hey, tell him.
A little Can-Am effort, a little Wildcat effort, and some muscle. Wildcat to the rescue again. General good. Everything's set. Boom. Everybody's happy. Winner, winner. Way to go, kids. Way to go. Shit.
Watch it.
Way to go. Way to save, what, 3 or 4 machines today? The Wildcat?
Couple assists, yeah.
trouble because he doesn't. Easy, Rod. Back up, it's coming.
Issues until I started working on that, and then now I burned up the belt. So
People don't.
Well, I don't have to worry about the belt.
People don't
got,
blame me. This hill's insane.
Have to worry about
you guys had a
Yeah,
I'll change
one with the
$150
winch.
compared
the winch
to
on the front.
3,000 any day.
Cat ain't making it.
Belts right there, boys.
Done.
Belt killer hill.
We did have a good time playing around in the Barracks Ranch. We got some footage of that. So Barracks Ranch is just like, I don't know, about a dozen river crossings before you get to a big dune hill to climb. And if you got a Can-Am turbo or a Polaris turbo, you're probably gonna get up that dune hill pretty easily. But if you're in a non-turbo car, you probably won't make it.
You got paddles, you'll make it all day, but without a really good knobby or a good paddle, that is some silty sand. It does not look as bad as it is, but that sand is so silty and fine that you just sink. It doesn't compact where it's crap.
Yeah, you might have to air down to 5-8 pounds. I aired down to 10 pounds. It wasn't really helping me in the sand that much, so maybe a little, but so on the way back we had a lot of fun kind of doing the river crossings. At one point we had to stop because our windshields were just covered with mud. You couldn't even see out of them anymore. And
we were like a bunch of kids going through those river crossings.
yeah, and the
splashing and everything.
And then there was the accident.
yeah, and then the trail kind of zigzags, runs into each other.
I forgot about that.
Dallin and I were kind of racing, and then I look over to my left and he looks over to his right, and we're just coming right at each other. We both slam on our brakes and we're like,
Good little hit.
we just
Thanks for watching, guys. Sand Mountain was a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one. Subscribe if you haven't hit that subscribe button. We need them subscribers, man. Help us out. Appreciate it.